everyone, we're here just outside Ballarat at Lake Burrumbeet. Haven't been here for years. Last time I came here would have been about 30 years ago. Might have been a different road that we came down. And a mate of mine, Dennis, and I, we fished here many years ago. Very sandy, like a beach. It's a lake, as you can see. And we're roughly around 150 kilometres from Melbourne. About 20 or 30 kilometres west of Ballarat.
Hiding away from everyone, I don't know where I'm coming from. It feels like it never